Hi, today I will be making some loose leaf tea, one of my favorites, Turmeric Twirl. First step to making this tea is to boil some water, and you can put however much you want in there. I usually do a good, about some of a tablespoon. Our water is ready. We will pour the water into the steeper. Then you wait for a little bit.
We're brewing that tea right now that way, but are there other ways you like to brew tea sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I'll use this steeper. This steeper, what it does is you pour the boiling water into the cup, and you have the tea in here, and you insert the steeper to steep it.
Mm-hmm. Why do you use that one sometimes?
Because some teas, like beat the snot out of you, they will get gummy and start looking like snot themselves. And
is it easier to clean out?
Yes, it's easier to clean out this. Yeah.
So do you have a favorite tea?
This is one of my favorites. I have many others. I picked some of my 3 favorites. Spicy ginger snap I like. It does give a kind of punch.
What do you like about the other 2?
This one I like because it does give you a little sweetness. Beat the snot out of you. Since I have really bad allergies, this thing helps me a lot. I think our tea is ready. So we're gonna add it in, and you can just put it on like that. You got a nice mug of tea.
When do you like to drink tea?
I like to drink it in the morning and sometimes after dinner.
All right. Do you have anything else you want to add, or you think we covered it?
Well, if you like English tea, which I like adding milk and honey sometimes. You take the milk, and I also like doing it with syrup. It does taste good. So you can do it either way, syrup or honey. But either way, it tastes very good. You can also, if you have one of these, very useful. So you add it in by twirling, and then you don't insert it because the boiling water will crystallize this. You just let it drip, and then when you think you have enough honey, you can put it back in, and voila, you have honey in your tea. And there's many other ways to make tea. You can, but this is one of my favorites. Good for now.